Welcome to another exciting episode of Amazing Animals Adventure. Today, we're diving into the sparkling waters of the ocean to explore the fascinating world of dolphins. These intelligent creatures are full of surprises. Dolphins are known for their playful nature, but did you know they have their own unique names? That's right, dolphins call each other using specific whistles, almost like we use names. Each whistle is as unique as a fingerprint. Now let's zoom in on their eyes. Dolphins have remarkable eyesight both in and out of water. Their eyes produce a special oil to protect them from the sea's saltiness. And guess what? They can move each eye independently, allowing them to watch for predators and prey at the same time. Echolocation is another superpower dolphins possess. They send out sound waves that bounce off objects and return to them. This tells dolphins the size, shape, and distance of things around them. It's like having built-in sonar. Did you know there are over 40 species of dolphins? The largest is the orca, or killer whale, which can grow up to 30 feet long. And they live in various environments, from the warm waters of the Pacific to the chilly Arctic Ocean. Dolphins are social animals and love to stick together in groups called pods. These pods can be like small families or large communities. They work together to protect each other and find food. Baby dolphins, called calves, are born tail first. They stay close to their mothers and even hitch rides in their wake. This is known as drafting and helps the calf swim with less effort. Have you ever wondered why dolphins jump out of the water? It could be to clean themselves, communicate with other dolphins, or just for fun. After all, who doesn't love a good leap? Dolphins continue to amaze and inspire us with their intelligence, playfulness, and incredible abilities. As we protect our oceans, we ensure that these amazing animals thrive for generations to come. Join us next time on Amazing Animals Adventure for another exciting journey into the animal kingdom. Until then, keep exploring and stay curious. As we come to the end of our dolphin adventure, we hope you're swimming in excitement and curiosity about these incredible creatures of the sea. Remember, there's always more to explore and learn in the amazing world of animals. If you loved diving into the world of dolphins with us, don't forget to swim over to that subscribe button and click it. Give us a fin-tastic, like if you enjoyed the journey, and share this video with your friends to spread the wonder and joy of learning about our ocean friends. Your support helps us create more adventures and bring the wonders of the animal kingdom right to your screen. So subscribe, like, and share, and let's keep exploring this incredible world together. Stay curious, and we'll see you on the next Amazing Animals Adventure.